Let me recap this for you. Ooh, we got a new angle here. Yeah, a little bit. Quick recap. So if your displacement is going up like this, is a constant velocity. So velocity is flat. And the slope of this would be the value of this graph. Okay, so what about if you have something like this middle one here? What's that going to look like? If I go up and then still up, but not quite as up. What does this graph look like? Still flat?
No.
No, not flat?
It would go flat and then down.
Okay, so flat here.
Again, flat, down.
And then it would go down.
Is this whole part going down?
No, it's going up. What?
What's happening here?
It's decreasing.
So the dog's walking at a constant velocity here.
Yeah.
Pretty fast, right? Is it walking faster in the beginning or faster at the end? This is faster, right? Because it's steeper, higher slope. So this is a faster walk, and then the dog walks slower for a bit. So you can actually draw this like this. Technically, these should be connected with a real quick change in velocity, but you can draw them as if they're not connected at all. It's fine with me. Okay, there's a bunch of these like this. What about this? Whoa, right there. What's happening there?
He's
Going
walking.
velocity constant, velocity super straight fast up, and then constant velocity super straight down.
Faster here in the beginning or
No.
faster in the second part?
Second.
This part is faster, right?
Yeah.
But this is now going downhill. What does that
He's
mean?
walking backwards.
He's walking back.
Ah, so the dog walks out, we usually walk, and then the owner remembers, oh shoot, we gotta get back for that thing. And then we run back to the house, right? What does that look like, VT?
It's there, and then bottom.
Ah, so you have kind of a medium positive, oh, can't do the whole way. Medium positive velocity, and then
Fast negative.
down here, right? Really fast negative, but that happens here. With me? Does that make sense to most of you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, good. What if I were to give you this? Ooh. What if I give you the velocity graph and it looks like that? So I don't give you the displacement graph. I give you a velocity graph and it looks like this.
What's tricky?
Ah, we're accelerating now, yes? So I actually have the slope of my velocity graph now will tell me the value of my acceleration, yes? So what do I draw here now?
A straight line.
Yeah, but it's not zero though, is it? It's some positive acceleration up here. And what does my displacement graph look like? Can it be straight?
Oh yeah.
It has to curve, right? Because the value of my slope here has to give me the value of this graph. So the value here is 0. So how do I start? It's got to be a 0 slope, right? So this has to be flat here. And then my slope is a little bit more, and then my slope is a little bit more. And so you have to curve like that. Okay. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I have some practice with these, so I can give them to you, and I'll put the key on the classroom. It's just a little thing. There'll probably just be a couple questions on the test like that, but I want to make sure that you understood that. How's your practice going?
Horrible.
Solid. Okay. You have
These feel like
questions?
test questions, Mr. Esper.
I'm here. Yeah, they are.